Welcome to the 10th Anliveda Yoga video newsletter. On June 21, 2023, the global yoga community will celebrate the International Day of Yoga. This year, the focus is on global health, yoga, and global unity. Let's unite in the spirit of yoga, one health. Learn more about this fascinating topic in this newsletter. Challenge yourself with the yoga quiz question in this newsletter. The answer from the previous quiz is: there are 196 Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Globally, 1 out of 3 people is affected by hypertension. This is alarming. The good news is, yoga and a few lifestyle modifications can help you manage high blood pressure. And find out more here about the ancient knowledge of biorhythms, moon influences, and blood pressure. Enjoy the Moon Veda Yoga courses available at www.anlivedayoga.com with the live moon calendar giving yoga recommendations for every day. Do yoga at home. Hari Om. Your Anliveda Yoga team.
Yoga empowers global health and unity. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years. It has been known to promote physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. However, the benefits of yoga extend far beyond just the individual practitioner. Yoga has the power to bring people together, regardless of their cultural and ethnic backgrounds. A holistic player, yoga and worldwide well-being. Yoga is a holistic approach to health and well-being. The practice of yoga encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual aspects that contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Regular practice of yoga has been shown to have numerous health benefits that can promote global health. Some of the benefits of practicing yoga include reduced stress and anxiety, increased flexibility, improved strength, better posture, and increased mindfulness. Practicing yoga can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve lung function. Yoga is also known to boost the immune system. In addition to the physical benefits, yoga has a positive impact on mental health. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common issues that affect millions of people globally. The ability of yoga to reduce stress and anxiety levels makes it an invaluable tool for promoting global health and unity. By practicing yoga, individuals can cultivate a sense of inner peace and calm, which can help to promote a more peaceful and harmonious world. Yoga promotes global health and unity. One of the most significant benefits of yoga is that it can be practiced by anyone, regardless of age, gender, or cultural background. This makes it a truly inclusive practice that has the potential to bring people from all walks of life together. As more and more people practice yoga, it has the potential to break down cultural and linguistic barriers and create a sense of unity among people from all over the world. Yoga is a way of life that promotes peace, love, and unity. In a world where there is so much division, practicing yoga can help to bring people together. This is because yoga teaches us to be present in the moment, to breathe deeply, and to connect with our inner selves. When we do this, we are better able to connect with others and to see them as fellow human beings rather than as separate entities. The Anliveda Yoga team hopes you enjoyed our contribution highlighting the power of yoga in promoting global health and unity. Join the Anliveda Global Yoga community. www.anlivedayoga.com/yoga-at-home-online/. Be inspired. Do yoga at home.
One of Anliveda website users told us that her favorite course is Anliveda Yoga for Detoxification.
My name is Anamika. I found recently the course Anliveda Yoga for Detoxification. My skin is shiny and vital now, and I lost some weight with this course. I do yoga for detox once a week. I just turn on my laptop and do this yoga video course at home in my own timing. The yoga teachers are so inspiring, and it is so easy and comfortable to do this yoga at my home. I love it.
Yogasnam Parivar Part 2. Let us dissolve in the traditional way of yoga again. Why is it useful to have this book? You will learn in this book Common Yogasanas, major traditional yogic texts. Effects of Yogasanas and frequently asked questions. Guidelines for sadhak. Concept of samasti. Surya Namaskar, sun salutations. Surya Namaskar sequence. The book is an excellent teacher's training book with guidance for 200 hours. At the same, the book is useful providing the basics of yoga to beginners, attractive with its easy to understand language and the pictures illustrating detailed instructions. People who give their impressions. Dr. Mandan Sharma and Chris Grint.
From the Sanskrit Education Department, Jaipur, India, Yoga Asanam Parivar Part 2 has been created with view to making yoga practice extremely useful. The best feature of this book is that it comprises of 108 asana which are displayed in a sequential order. Due to this special feature, the book will prove to be very useful for new yoga aspirants. I appreciate and thank the authors Mr. Davakar Dadit Shiva and Ms. Michaela Babarova for their great efforts.
This truly was an intense, enriching and amazing experience. The knowledge, skills and instruction I received from Shiva and Michelle changed this from a worthwhile course into a life-changing event. Namaste.
The book Yogasanam Parivar, Part 2 is available at the Google Bookstore and can be also purchased directly from the Anliveda Book Bazaar at the website www.anlivedayoga.com.
Ayurveda tips for hot days. The hot summer time, from the Ayurveda point of view, is the one when you should watch your pitta. In Ayurveda, all food items are also categorized by their heat impact on the body. Pitta relates to fire and water and regulates the digestion of food. It is considered also as important for the digestion of emotions. Thus, pitta is highly important for the metabolism and the emotional balance, as well as blood, eye vision, and skin. To keep your pitta smoothly functioning on hot days, you need to focus on cooling vegetables and fruits, on food items in general which are characterized as having cooling effects. These are green vegetables like zucchini, broccoli, green beans, spinach, artichoke, and cucumber. Coconut, mint, watermelon, rosewater, and lemons are also much suitable foods for summer days. One important thing to mention: don't use ice cubes to make cool drinks, and be mindful when enjoying ice cream, as ice is tricking you. It is illusioning you with a cooling feeling on the tip of your tongue, while in reality in your stomach ice is heating up the body and causes you to sweat more in summer. A refreshing juice from watermelon and mint for decreasing your pitta. Ingredients for 2 persons: approximately ½ liter of juice, half of a middle-sized watermelon, 25-gram mint leaves. Step 1. Clean the mint leaves and chop them, without stems, into very small pieces. Step 2. Cut a middle-sized watermelon into half. Step 3. Cut the half watermelon into slices. Step 4. Separate the red part of the slices from the white parts and the green peel. Step 5. Cut only the red parts of the watermelon into cubes and take out the seeds. Step 6. Fill the red watermelon cubes together with some chopped mint leaves into a blender, juicer of smoothie maker. Step 7. Blend the ingredients until you have turned all melon cubes and chopped mint leaves a smooth watermelon mint juice. Pour your fresh watermelon mint juice into 2 big glasses. Decorate with some chopped mint on top or mint leaves at the edge of the glasses. Consume the fresh watermelon mint juice immediately, it cannot be stored. And, please be advised to clean the blender and kitchen utensils immediately to avoid building of bacteria in the blender or juice/smoothie maker. Enjoy your cooling juice.
In every Anliveda Yoga newsletter, you find a yoga quiz for your pleasure. The right answer to the quiz question from the previous newsletter is B. 196. Which pose relates to this bird? A, B, C. Excited to know the correct answer? Just watch the next Anliveda Yoga video newsletter.
Astro medicine, the correlation between blood circulation and moon phases. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the moon and its impact on our lives. From tides to farming, the moon's phases have played a crucial role in shaping our planet. But did you know that the moon may also have a significant impact on our health? Astro medicine is a growing field that explores the link between celestial events and the human body. Hypertension on certain days as well as the tendency to low blood pressure have secret links with the moon qualities and the moon phases. Learn here how you can use this knowledge to improve your health and well-being. The moon has long been associated with the flow of fluids, including the tides of the oceans, menstrual cycles, and in general on the fluids in the human body, including the blood circulation. The gravitational pull of the moon affects the fluids in our bodies, as the human body consists of around 60 to 70% of water and fluids. Thus, the moon causes changes in blood pressure and blood flow. However, it is not only the moon and its phases, which are ascending moon and full moon, descending moon and new moon. In addition to these phases, the moon has also qualities ruled by the zodiac signs. The moon is passing within 28¼ of a day through the 12 zodiac signs, staying in each one approximately 2 days and some hours. The ruling zodiac sign influences its respective days with the qualities which characterize the sign. In this way you can profile every day, and you can plan farming, gardening and household according to supportive influences on certain moon days. This ancient knowledge about rhythms of the moon and nature applies also to your biorhythms, health and beauty treatments. The benefits of astro medicine, zodiac qualities and lunar cycles. Astro medicine practitioners believe that by understanding the relationship between the moon phases and blood circulation, we can use this knowledge to improve our health. For example, during a full moon, it may be beneficial to avoid activities that can increase blood pressure and instead focus on relaxation techniques that can help to lower it. By paying attention to the moon phases and their effects on our blood circulation, we can take steps to improve our overall health and well-being. For example, on a Leo full moon day, the blood pressure tends to be higher than usual. On these days, it is quite advisable to avoid performing strong sports, strong physical activities, consuming food and beverages known to raise the blood pressure. Persons with diagnosed hypertension should be extra careful on such days and avoid stress and any physical activities overburdening their heart and blood circulation system. Practicing yoga aligned with the moon days, for example performing yoga asanas for regulating your blood circulation, can enhance remarkably your health and well-being. The concept of astro medicine aims to promote wellness and healing by aligning our bodies with the natural cycles of the moon, planets, and zodiac qualities. By understanding the effects of the moon and the zodiac qualities on our bodies, we can tailor our health and wellness practices to maximize their benefits.
Thank you for watching. www.anlivedayoga.com